Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to see about CSS properties. As in starting we had seen that what is the syntax of CSS? A selector, then declaration, and within that declaration there are two properties, correct? One is called as property and second one is called as value. So what types of properties are there? Now we are going to see. Basically there are four types of properties: text, image, font and border. We can use different styling for these properties. Now what type of styling we can use, we will see with a basic common example of. Now in this example we are going to create a cafe web.html, means a web page for our cafe website. The code is given below. HTML, head, title. What is title? Cafe Delight. Then body. In body, H1 means heading of our web page. What is the heading? Welcome to Cafe Delight. Then there is a H2 tag. H2 tag. Then P tag. Two P tags are there. H2 and then table. In table, they had given us different type of menu. Correct? Menu for our web page. Then this type, when we run that code, we will appear this type of website on our web page. It is a simple basic website. Now we are going to modify this website. First we will see about CSS background properties, means what we can do with background. First property, background color. What is background color? Simply, background color means we can give background color for our tag or a website also. For website we will use background color in body tag. If we use in body tag, all our website will get that background color. But if particularly if I want to give that background color to a specific tag, then I will use tag. Here you can see they had used h1 tag. Then style, which type of CSS they are using? Inline style sheet, correct? Because this code is given within the tag, so it is called as inline style sheet. Style, background color. Here you can see spelling, correct? Not COLOUR, it is COLOR, color. And then they had used a hash code. What is hash code? That we'll see just in a while. Then int and red background, correct? This hash code is for red. How it will come for red? Just wait a second, I will show you. For example, see, basically you know RGB colors, these are primary colors, correct? Which are those primary color? R, G and B, correct? So hash code means of 6 digit, correct? Hash code is of 6 digit. First hash, because name is hash code, so we will use hash, and it is always of 6 digit, not more than 6 digit or not less than 6 digit. So first, if it is FF 6 times F, then this color will be which color? White. This will be white. This is the hash code for white color. If 0000, then this will be of black color. Okay, means if every color is faint, these three colors are faint, then color will be white. If all the colors are highest, then that color will be black. If I want to do red color, then what I will use? FF means 100% red color. How many percentage of G I want? Green color 0 and of blue 0. Then this will be which color? Red. As you can see in our example also, they had written code like this, F. If I want green color, then I will use hash red color how much, 0%, green color how much, full green color, so 0 ff, and blue 00. Then this code is for which color, green color. And now for blue, as everyone will know, red how much, 0, green also 0, and blue color I want full, so for blue I will use ff, so this color will be of blue. Understood? This is called as hash code. For white, simply understand, when all the 6 values are full, the color will be white. When none of the value is full, it is 0, then it will be black. If we are having red color at maximum, correct, so it will be of red. If we are having green color at maximum, it will be green, and when we are having blue at maximum, it will be blue. These are basic 5 hash code. We can say as hash code color, correct, not COLOR, because in computer language we say like that, but in basic color, correct. This is basic code for hash code. And if you want multiple hash code color, you can simply create by your own, or simply just Google any color, whatever. Clear? Now background color clear. See, simply you need to give the color name. You can simply write here also. For example, if you want red, you can write name, otherwise you can give color as hexadecimal value. It we can also do transparent also. Then next property is background image, means what image we want in our background. We can use color also, but instead of color, if I want any image in background, so I can do that with the help of background image property. How we can write? Simply write background image, and then you will write URL, correct. URL full form is uniform resource locator, means where is the location. If you have downloaded the image, you can give image name and dot and its extension. It is compulsory. Just by giving image name it will not work. You need to give image. Now what you need to give image type also, which type of image that is. Otherwise, second thing, if you have not downloaded any images, then you can simply copy image address. While copying the image from internet, copy image address and within double quotation mark paste the URL and close the double quotation mark. Like this way you can use online images also if it is not downloaded in your computer. Then background repeat. What is background repeat? If I want to repeat any image vertically or horizontally, I can. See how many types are there. There are 4 types. Repeat means it will repeat. For example, this is a screen. Image size is like this. Then it will repeat in this manner. Okay. Like this it will repeat. By default it is like that. If I want in x-axis, where is x-axis? This is x-axis. If I want to repeat any image in x-axis, I will use repeat x. If I want to repeat any image in y-axis, then I will use repeat y. And if I don't want to repeat any image, then I will see no repeat. Then whatever the size of that particular image is, it will show that, and remaining part will be shown in black color. Okay. Then background position. Background position means where I want that image. For example, this is my web page. If I want it in left side, I will use background position like this. Background position, and here I will use left. Then it will be in left side. If I want in right side, then I will use right. Then the image will pop up here. And if I want that image in center here, then I will use background position as center. Understood? These are the type. And see now how we can apply. Here they had created a CSS file, correct. Means which type of style sheet it is external style sheet because the code is written in another file. How we can link? With the help of link tag, correct? In previous video I had explained it detail. After applying this code, what they had applied in this code, see, they had used body as I told you in beginning, then bracket for body, what background image they had choose, cafe.jpg, correct? URL. Do they want to repeat the image? No, they don't. So they use background background repeat, no repeat. And where is the position of that image? Background position center, mean that image is present in the center. After applying this code, writing this much code in .css and then linking that css file with our html file with the help of link tag, our website will look like this. Clear? This was all about background properties. Once I will repeat, there are 4 main background properties. Background color, with the help of that we can change background color of website. We can write directly name of the color, otherwise we can use hexadecimal values like this. Okay, we can use transparency also. We can choose the percentage. If I want transparency, then I will use 100% transparency. We can use the number by, if I want 80%, I will write 80%. If I want 70%, I can write 70% also, correct? We can modify that. Then second one is background image. If I want to apply any image as a background for my website, then I can use offline images also, mean downloaded. Otherwise I can use online images also with the help of copy image address, correct? Next, background repeat. I can repeat the image in 4 types: a repeat x, a repeat y, and no repeat. And last but not the least, background position. There are 3 types of background positions for this. Which are those? Left, right, and center. Clear?